One of the biggest advantages of selling digital products is that you only have to create them once. Think about a traditional business that sells physical products. Every time a customer places an order, the business has to manufacture the item, package it, store it, and ship it. Every sale costs both time and money. Digital products work very differently. Once you've created an ebook, a spreadsheet, a planner, a design template, or an online course, that same product can be sold repeatedly without having to recreate it each time. Whether you sell it to 10 people or 10,000 people, you are delivering the exact same digital file. This allows small business owners to scale much more efficiently because they are not constantly exchanging time for money. Most beginners make the mistake of asking themselves, what should I create? A much better question is, what problem can it solve? Every successful digital product exists because it helps someone accomplish something faster, easier, or better than before. If you are already running a small business, think about the questions customers ask you repeatedly. Maybe people struggle with bookkeeping, social media planning, creating invoices, writing proposals, or organizing projects. Each one of these challenges could become a valuable digital product. The goal isn't to create the biggest product possible. The goal is to solve one specific problem really well. Customers aren't buying a PDF or a spreadsheet. They're buying the outcome that product helps them achieve. Creating your first digital product doesn't require expensive software or years of technical experience. In fact, many successful creators build products using tools they already know. A business guide can be written in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Financial templates can be created in Excel or Google Sheets. Marketing planners and checklists can be designed using Canva. Even simple resources like printable planners or AI prompt collections can become profitable products when they provide real value. The most important thing is not making your product look perfect. Instead, focus on making it useful. If your product saves customers time, helps them avoid mistakes, or gives them a clear process to follow, you have already created something people may be willing to pay for. Once your product is ready, the next step is making it easy for customers to pay you. This is where PayPal becomes an important part of the business. A PayPal business account allows you to receive payments from customers in many countries through a payment method that millions of people already recognize and trust. After verifying your account and connecting your bank account, you can link PayPal to your website or the platform where you are selling your products. When someone completes a purchase, the payment is processed electronically, and the customer can immediately receive access to the digital download. This automated process means you don't have to manually send files or confirm every order yourself. One of the best things about digital products is that you have several options for selling them. Some business owners prefer to sell directly through their own websites because it gives them complete control over branding, pricing, and customer relationships. Others choose online marketplaces that specialize in digital downloads because these platforms handle payment processing and automatic file delivery. Both approaches have advantages, and many successful creators eventually use both. The important thing is making the buying experience as simple as possible. The fewer steps customers need to complete before receiving their purchase, the more likely they are to complete the transaction. Creating a great product is only half of the job. The other half is making sure people actually discover it. This is where many new creators struggle because they spend weeks building a product and only a few minutes promoting it. Successful businesses understand that marketing is just as important as product creation. Instead of constantly telling people to buy your product, focus on teaching them something useful. Share educational videos on YouTube. Post practical tips on Instagram or LinkedIn. Write blog articles. Or answer common questions in your industry. Every piece of free content builds trust with your audience. Over time, people begin to see you as someone who understands their problems and can provide valuable solutions. When they eventually need more detailed help, purchasing your digital product becomes a natural next step. Another mistake many beginners make is assuming that lower prices automatically lead to more sales. In reality, customers usually care much more about value than price. If your spreadsheet helps someone save hours of work every month, or your template helps them with new clients, they are paying for the result, not the number of pages in the document. Instead of trying to be the cheapest option available, focus on creating the most useful solution. As your reputation grows and you receive positive feedback from customers, you can continue improving your products and adjusting your pricing based on the value you provide. The biggest opportunity with digital products isn't selling one item, it's building an entire collection over time. Your first product teaches you what customers want, what questions they still have, and what additional resources could help them. Those insights become ideas for future products. Eventually, we can bundle related products together, create premium versions, offer online courses, or build membership communities. Each new product strengthens your business and creates another opportunity for customers to buy from you. Instead of relying on one source of income, you gradually build multiple digital assets that continue working for you long after they have been created.